Good morning. Good morning. Hope everyone is having a fantastic day. Today is Wednesday. I don't know the exact date. Let me check and see here. Let's see here. Today is Wednesday, February the 28th, 2024. So I said, why not start going back live in the group? I know a lot of you follow me for the notary business part of what I got going on. So I am back doing notary loan closings. I had got a call this morning for a car title. The lady called me in the middle of me shopping in Walmart, so it was interesting. So anyway, I always answer your phone because you just never know. So she called me talking about she was needing a notary to do a car title, and I told her I could because I know how to do car titles. You're notarizing the seller's signature, y'all, okay? So I told her let me call her back in like 5-10 minutes, and whenever I called her back, she didn't answer her phone. So I left a message letting her know that I was going to be in the area for like a few more minutes, and if she still needed me to call me back. So she didn't ever call me back. Well, at least I didn't see it because I have 2 phone lines attached to this one phone. Because remember I told y'all, after all the years of me becoming a notary, I was carrying around 2 phones with 2 different phone lines, and that just brought on anxiety. And I had to realize, like, going forward this year, 2024, I had to eliminate things that was causing me anxiety, causing me stress. So that was one of them, carrying 2 phones, being responsible for 2 phones. So now I have one phone with 2 lines tied to that one phone. So anyway, so she never called me back. So when I get out this appointment, I'm going to check my messages and see what's up, because when I go back down, I have another notary appointment, and then I'm gonna call her and see what's up. But I was gonna make a post saying that I was in this town just to see if anybody needed any notaries. But sometimes that can kind of throw you off, but that's marketing, right? So whenever you go somewhere and you do a notarization, always tag your location. That helps you, especially on your business page. I just a little bit of information for you all. So if you go onto my Facebook page, Carolina Signs Pro Mobile Notary, you'll see where I took pictures and I tagged the location where I was at. So that helps because my Google business page is attached to my Facebook page. So all that, get filters, and they can see me all over. So yeah, so like I said, I'm just here waiting a few minutes before I go to my appointment. I could have gone a little bit earlier, but I'm not going to push it. I'm just going to get there right a little bit beforehand. I talked to them yesterday. I confirmed my appointment yesterday with them. Even if you don't get them on the phone to confirm, especially notary signing agents, still go to the appointment. If you go to the appointment and you wait, say, 10 minutes, and no one's there, and you try to call, you try to email, you try to text, and no one shows up, no one answers the door, contact the hiring party and let them know. If you have to take pictures of you being in the driveway, if you have to take pictures of the front door, whatever you need to do, and you might say, oh, that's too much, I ain't doing all that. You might want to, because it's your word, it's their word against your word, right? So in this type of business, it's a service-based business. People aren't always truthful and honest, okay? So just because you try to be on the up and up don't mean everybody else be on the up and up, right? So say the borrower may have forgotten or got tied up, like I was in Walmart when I got that call. And so people are people, right? So you have to give people grace like you want people to give you grace. So we didn't make a long story short and a short story long. So I'm just sitting here waiting and just going through my journal. Like I said, I have this notebook. I made it on Printful, one of those print on demand websites. This is the journal I curated, and you can purchase it if you're interested into it. I told y'all I write down every day. I write down what I got going on, right? Them sticky notes is for additional notes and stuff, and I write down everything I got going on to keep myself on track with everything. I put down when I'm getting paid, who paying me, appointments, my work schedule, if the kids got appointments, if I need to do something, birthdays, events, just anything. I write it down in this book right here. I write it down, and I draw lines. You could do this notebook however you want to, but this is what I do. I draw lines for each day of the week, and I date it, right? So it's a lineless journal, but I created this, and you can sell them. It's very simple. You find your image, upload them to the print demand website, and sell them. That's it. That's passive income. You do it one time, you put in the work one time, and you can make residual income. Yeah, but like I said, I'm just sitting here waiting to go to this appointment and everything like that. I'm at a safe location. I'm not parked in front of their house, sitting out there waiting. I'm being very professional. I don't think that's cool to be parked in front of somebody's house, just sitting in the car. So if you can go to like a restaurant, convenience store, I'm at a gas station / truck stop. Just sitting, waiting. I would listen to some music. I said, well, let me go on live. I haven't gone live in my Facebook group in a while. Like I said, a lot of you follow me for the notary side. I do have an appointment, like I said, today. And yeah, that's it. So, business out here. The fees are the fees. We're not going to get into that. If you don't want to accept the fees that they're offering, don't do it. I mean, there's no need to, like McDonald's, their sausage biscuits, the price for their sausage biscuit. You don't like the price of McDonald's charge? Go somewhere else. Go to Hardee's. Go to Burger King. I don't know what else to say. I don't understand, but it's not for me to understand. It's not for me to get all worked up about neither. There is money to be made. Okay, so just make sure you're not missing out on opportunities because, to be honest with you, if a company likes you and they see that you're professional, you communicate very well, they will 99% of the time pay you what you want, in case you didn't know that. Other than stopping them at the front door all the time, I ain't taking it, I'm too good for this. Sometimes they will. And I know for a fact they will. So, I don't know. Stay out of these Facebook groups. Sometimes you read comments and you get discouraged. That makes you not want to do it. I know a lot of notaries still haven't even stamped not one piece of paper. And I don't know. I was there, but I didn't stay there. That's what I'm trying to get y'all to understand. I didn't stay right there. I made mistakes. I still make mistakes. But what I had to learn, me personally, I have to slow down. I ain't even got my tag on. Let me put my name badge on. I had to learn to slow down. I had to learn to slow down. I got me little receipt books, y'all. Just for my fingerprint business. I got these little $1.25 store. Didn't have these for a long time. And I've been all over the world, feel like. So every time I'm somewhere new, I try to go to a different $1.25 store, Dollar Tree. And they had these there. So these are for my fingerprint. And if you don't know, I've added fingerprint into my notary business. So if they want a physical receipt, I picked these up at the $1.25 store receipt book. And you could use these for general notary work. For a lot of older people, pay with checks. So they don't do the email invoice and stuff. So it's a corner had go. Sometimes I can accept the appointment, put it in my notary gadget, and then print the invoice off and send it to them. And print it and put it as paid, and then print it off and then give it to them at the appointment. But then sometimes, like on the fly, someone call me now and say, "Oh, can you come by at a nursing home or hospital?" I just carry this, right? And I could just write their receipt and show them that they paid. Sometimes they want a receipt, sometimes they don't, right? So that just FYI if you want to try to do that. Have your little paper receipt booklet. And this was $1.25. And you put this in Notary Gadget as an expense. You always want to put down your expenses if possible. Try to keep up with all that stuff as much as possible. So that's what I've added in my notary bag. And I still got 2 notary stamps. Like I tell you, I always have 2. I always have 2. Let me see here. I got plenty pens. In loan signing, you use blue ink. Unless they tell you otherwise. In general notary work, you use black ink. They must have forgot something. They met them here. And I got my sticky tabs that I write the date down. As a matter of fact, I need to do that right now. Right now, write the date down. So they won't have to keep asking me, what day is it? What day is it? So let's see here. And always make sure you write down the right day because they following you. They're following your lead. Let me see. It is the 28th. So let's write. I'm going to show you how I present it to them. So I just put it on this sticky note. And I put the sticky note on top of the folder like this. I don't put it on their table because some people have really nice furniture. And you don't want to fall out with nobody. So I just stick it like this. Like this. and then I work, you know, I pull these papers out, and I just work like that. But I have this in front so they can see it. Kind of where both parties, if it's a man and a wife or a couple, so they can see it. But I don't put this on their table. I don't care if we sitting on the couch. I don't put it because they can say, oh, she damaged my furniture, and they could, you know, file on my insurance. So no, we don't do that. We don't play those games. So yeah, that's it. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Don't give up on me, y'all. I have a whole bunch of jobs I want to add to the group. I definitely will try to work on that. I don't want to put no time limits on it because y'all know I'm working a lot myself on work from home jobs. I just took a job for Working Solutions. It's a company I worked for in the past with Working Solutions. Matter of fact, Working Solutions was my very first work from home job company I worked for, and I got that company again, and I really liked it. The pay is like I think 13 maybe, but it's part-time, 20 hours a week. So until Notary start picking up and I'm making thousands of $1,000 a month, this is what it is, y'all. You gotta do what you gotta do to keep yourself afloat. Don't let nobody knock you for nothing. You say, well, that's not enough for me. Well, zero is better. I mean, some better than zero. So if you're not making no money now, you trying to be picky. You must don't need the money, because I need the money. I don't like being broke. I don't like being able to take care of myself and my responsibility. So if it's $13 an hour, I'm going to work it. I'm going to do whatever I got to do. So that's enough with that. But yeah, check out the Facebook group. See if any jobs in there, any apps. I've been using Shopkick to earn money, Mobi to earn money, Walmart Sparks kind of slowed down a little bit, but y'all always see that on YouTube as well. Let me see. DoorDash, I haven't been doing much DoorDash. We have a love-hate relationship with DoorDash, but I'll talk about that another time. But yeah, so yeah, that's it. Hope y'all have a fantastic day. I'm about to get to my appointment, so I won't be late. I don't want to be this close and be late. That's crazy.